Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining me for Wake Up Wednesday. So today we are going to be talking about um basic accounting book setup. Here's the thing. The lender, if you get to the lending process, they generally ask you for something that is called profit and loss statement and balance sheet. And a lot of times people have to go scramble, kind of put something on an Excel sheet and kind of put something together because the lender is asking for it. So if you ever hear something called YTD, financials, that means year to date interim financial statements. And generally, that includes a profit and loss statement and a balance sheet. So, I'm going to show you a quick hack on how you can get it done and have some software kind of make it for you. So, I'm going to share my screen here. Okay. Um, so I kind of got some dummy accounts here. On QuickBooks, you can get a QuickBooks account for, really cheap, like $7. If you come through us, we have a QT discount. So if that's something you want, and you need some help assist, setting up your QuickBooks, you can give us a call. But did you know that instead of, oops, let me go back over here, the dummy account. Did you know that instead of entering the data yourself, you can go and connect or upload transactions, right? When you connect or upload your transactions, now here's the thing, when you connect your bank, they usually only go back 3 months. What if you got to go back to January? I wouldn't connect right now. I would just go ahead and download the CSV file, the QFX files, QPO, OFX, or TXT. I don't use the TXT format because you got to do some extra stuff. But if you download the CSV or the usually you can get the PQBO file right from your bank account. So you would go into your regular bank account. I'm actually just gonna go log into mine, and you want to know where you where would you find that QBO file on your bank account? I'm just gonna move this back over here really quickly. One moment, guys, just logging in there for you. There we go. All right, so I'm going to log in here and let's see if I wanted to download. You can download, okay? And guess what, guys? You can go right here to, QBO file. So that way I can have like a month of or a year of transactions. So you know what? I'm actually going to put that right there, but I'm not going to say current statement. I could say all transactions if I wanted to, or I can say start date. And I can go back to January 1st, 2020, and then go up to, you know, let's make it the end of October because you want even dates, right? And then I can put that in there. And when I do that, I can download those transactions. When I download those transactions, now I have this nice little file that I can upload right into my, if I was on QuickBooks, I can go browse and downloads and I can find it. and I can go to next. And then look at that. I got all of these accounts. That's a checking account, so I can do that. Okay. Now I have January through October of 2020, all of my transactions inside of QuickBooks. Now what's left is I have to categorize them. When I go and categorize them, I'm able, see, I have 482 transactions in here. Now, look, there wasn't any transactions, but now I'm going back, to, January. Month by month, I have to go and categorize what my expenses were. So if my expenses were, I got in $5,000 for that month and I spent out 2,000, it lets me put on there, what is rent. So, or what are credit card payments. Now this is my personal account, so you're going to see my personal credit card payments. You'll see my personal commissions from, my a couple of businesses that I do. That's my income. Okay. So I in QuickBooks, it says sales. You can classify it as sales or revenue, right? So like on this day, I got $7,500 from my company, and then I got $2,400. So I made from that commissions, I made $10,000 that month from that. And then since it's my personal account, it's not business account, but you can run it like a business. Then I put savings and transfers to savings. Then I had rent. But see these categories, it lets me recategorize what it is. It's, is it a bill? Like this is a utility bill. They have it categorized as a utility bill. If it's rent, you would categorize it as rent. So once all of that is done, then I can click on something. Let me go, and then I'm gonna just say, I can add all of, I can categorize it the way that that QuickBooks had it. So I'm gonna accept everything, even though, I didn't categorize it, but I'm going to accept everything. And when I accept everything, everything is added. And voila, guys, how do I get my P&L and my balance sheet? Let's see, all dates. Let me make sure I accepted everything. Let's go back. Oh, you got to accept everything. So I'm just going to delete everything once this is done. But once you accept it, okay, then you're going to go to the thing that says reports, okay? And I didn't accept everything, so this is just to show you guys. But look, we have something called profit and loss and balance sheet. So if I wanted to create a profit and loss, I could literally just go in here and click on profit and loss. Okay. And voila, I have a P&L sheet, net income and balance, net income sheet. And if I wanted to change the report, I can go back to reports and I can make a balance sheet if I wanted to. Right here. So now I have a balance sheet. So guys, I just showed you how to create a P&L and a balance sheet in 10 minutes. I think that's impressive myself. All right, so if you need any help with your profit and loss and balance sheet, you can give us a call at 248-416-1755, and I can help you set up your QuickBooks. You can also use Wave the same way, do the same exact thing, and have all of your documents for your lender to, when they ask you for those year-to-date interim financials, you'll be ready. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.